Hey y'all, Crazy Pop here, and I just got back from Carowinds where I just tried an amazing meal. They had a gourmet barbecue grilled cheese sandwich. Super simple to make. I sat there and watched them. They make it in front of you, so I watched how they did it. I actually talked to the sous chef there, and I said, I got to make this for y'all. Super simple. It's going to be really easy, just a few ingredients, and we're going to have an amazing grilled cheese sandwich. Won't take long to put together at all, I promise you. But if you're looking for any other recipes we've done, like always, there's a link down there in the description, take you to all the recipes we've done. If you don't see what you're looking for, hey, shoot me a message, leave it in the comments, do something. I know I've had several here lately come in. I haven't made them yet. I'm going to, I promise you. I'm keeping tabs of them. I can't wait to try them out. Now, if you're looking for any of our social medias that we may be going into, like Carowinds, for instance, look in the description again, and you'll see a link tree, and it'll take you to all the amazing stuff that we have going on. Our TikToks, our other YouTube channel, Hanging with the Crazy Crew, where you'll find the Carowinds stuff, and Dollywood also, and a lot of other things. So go down and check all that out. But for right now, we got to fire this griddle up, and we got to show you some groceries. Let's get this thing going. Let's go to these 3 burners right here, and then I'm gonna leave this one off, just in case I want to move things over, like always. But right now, I'm just going to turn this thing down to right above low. We might even go to low here in a little bit. And now for the groceries. Now we're going to use some Texas toast for ours. They used a really thick toast, so I'm going to use this Texas toast. I got some barbecue here, just some pulled pork barbecue. We do have some pepper jack cheese and some regular sharp cheddar cheese back here that we're going to use. And of course, can't have grilled cheese without butter. All right, I'm seeing that white smoke. That only says one thing. It's time to get some groceries on this griddle. Let's put some butter down. And when I say butter, I mean butter. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to stay up against this edge over here with it. Put down a lot of butter right through here. I think I'm going to go ahead and turn this far burner off. Just let the residual heat do our toasting. We'll put down a lot of butter, y'all. We want buttery bread. Butter bread. Throw down your bread. Got all the bread down there. Time to add the cheese now. Each piece of bread gets cheese. Now add your pepper jack. But what I like to do is kind of turn it where that cheese is going to kind of hang off just a little bit. Kind of move it around where it don't melt on each other. Like so. Do that. Oh yeah, there we go, like that. Now grab your dome and a little bit of water. And kind of just melt it on down a little bit. And now while that's melting, we need to heat this barbecue up. Get it going over here, because it won't take long for that bread to get toasted up and that cheese to melt down. Now this really is going to be a quick cook. It don't take long, because places like Carowinds, when you order something, they need to turn it over pretty fast, but it makes a delicious meal. It really does. So let's check on this toast and this cheese. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Just look how that cheese is done melted on there. Oh, that's going to be so good with this barbecue on top of it. Now that cheese is good and melty, let's put some barbecue on it. As much barbecue on each one as you want. Oh yeah, there we go. Make it barbecue-y. Yeah, that's a word, because I said it. Now we'll take it, flip it and toss it. Take it, flip it and toss it. Now, you toast the bread as toasty as you want it to be. That's up to you. Let's flip this here, see how it looks on the other side. That's looking good. Oh yeah. Y'all, these are looking good. I'm gonna let them toast just a little bit longer, but they're looking really good. Just look at all that cheese coming out of these sandwiches, y'all. Along with that barbecue just oozing out of them. Oh, these are gonna be delicious. Now, once you get them toasted up like you like, grab your cutting board and take them up. Barbecue grilled cheese sandwiches. Let's cut one open and see what it's all about. Man, y'all look at that goodness right there on a piece of bread, would you? Let's go ahead and cut this one. Oh, it's just oozing out of there. Look at that. That's what you want. Look at that, look at that. Oh, there we go. Would you just look at all that goodness? I took you out of frame there for a minute, didn't I? Now, wasn't that just quick and easy? I mean, grilled cheese sandwich, but that's a little barbecue in there. Super simple, super fast. And I know these were good at Carowinds, but I gotta try mine out, see how they are. Nothing like homemade, nothing. Can't beat homemade. That's delicious. I have another bite. That's so good. So looking for a quick, easy night, meal, afternoon snack, whatever. Make your grilled cheeses, and hey, you use whatever kind of cheese you want. You ain't got to use the pepper jack and the American, or the cheddar. You can use American. You can use Kobe Jack. It don't matter. You make it yours. That's the beautiful thing about making stuff at home. Make it the way you want to make it. But I'm gonna tell you right now, this is not bad. If you make it this way, you're not gonna be mad at me, I promise you. So try these out, let me know what you think. Would love to hear. If you make them, please share your pictures out, tag me in them. Would love to see what you're making. With that being said, I gotta head on out. One more thing, if you feel like becoming a member supporter or help support the channel, there's a join button down below. No obligation. I love you either way. Watching, thumbs up, subscribing, all that really does help this channel. So thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.